Hey everybody, happy April 5th. It is Tuesday, just about lunchtime, kind of gloomy, overcast out there. We did see a little bit of rainfall early this morning, right when I was getting into work around 2:30. There was some heavier rain, only a couple hundredths of an inch, some places near a tenth of an inch in Sioux Falls, so that moved off towards the east. We're not going to see an incredible threat for rainfall in the next couple of days, but we're going to be so close to these systems that it's going to bring us something that's probably even a little bit more annoying, and that's the wind. You can see right now in the Aerostay Hotel Skycam, the camera shaking it around always does a really good job at telling us just how windy it is outside without an anemometer. Your national forecast, I brought this up because I just want to show you a couple of things. This is a bigger kind of scale, bigger look at things, so we call this kind of a synoptic scale. So we've got one low sitting right now in western North Dakota. Now if we press play, we can go through the next 24 hours or so. Well, I'll first point out this. So where all of these isobars are packed together very tightly, that means some strong winds. The difference in pressure gradient is what creates the wind. That low travels towards the southeast. Pause it right here. Tomorrow, lunchtime, guess what? More isobars. So the eastern half of South Dakota, once again, sitting with a pretty strong wind. But this is counterclockwise, so winds will be out of the north-northeast. Cold front's going to swing through this afternoon. You'll notice the change in wind direction, and it will start to bring in some cooler temps. Guess what? We're not done. Another little system develops off towards the same general region and starts to move towards the southeast, kind of getting sucked in to a bigger low off here. Not expecting a lot of precipitation, but guess what? Isobars, more of them, hooray! Winds out of the north-northeast once again. And we're not done from there. We get a little bit of a break, it looks like, as we head into Friday, but then more isobars, that's right. So a lot at play here in this week, and it looks like the weekend itself, Saturday into Sunday, could be a windy one. So prepare yourself. You must have a lot of patience for the next week or so. Winds will shift again as we go through this evening. This is around 11:30 p.m. Winds are out of the northwest. Sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour. Could see gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. And these colors are pretty hot, meaning they're expected to be quite high for the next couple of days at least. Also bringing concerns with a red flag warning, at least in our region. All these areas in pink, red flag warning, low relative humidity, strong winds. That means any open flame or spark could quickly get out of control. In fact, the western two-thirds of the state under an extreme category for grassland fire danger. Let's go through today. Might see some sunshine this afternoon, kind of on and off as we head towards the evening. Could see some showers across the southeast. Now the best possibility for thunderstorms way down towards our south and our southeast, at least some kind of strong thunderstorms. We're going to be kind of choked out for that moisture, so we're not going to be able to use much of that. And then just a few storms possible Thursday morning, kind of on and off, but things will get better as we go into the weekend. As far as temperatures, today we're under that warm front in the warm sector, temps in the 60s. Topping out will quickly drop as we go to the afternoon and evening hours. That cold front will bring in some much cooler air, and yes, some sunshine is possible. Best chance for that in the James River Valley. We clear out starting Thursday morning. Remember we talked about those shower storms early in the morning Thursday? Well, after that, we'll start to see the influence of high pressure push in. Now, it will continue to be breezy, but I wanted to give you a chance to look at Saturday and Sunday because so many people have plans. Temperatures climbing Sunday. It looks like we'll be topping out in the mid to upper 60s around the area. Some places might hit 70. So that's a look at your FastCast for this Tuesday morning. Again, it's April 5th. We could use a little bit more moisture. It never really hurts. But other than that, try to hold on to your hats. If I had hair, I'd probably button this thing in. Maybe get a chin strap for it because it's going to be so windy. So button the hatches and hold on because the wind's going to be blowing. We'll see ya. Thanks for joining us.